Hi guys, welcome to our channel Modern Tech Science. If you not had subscribe our channel, then please subscribe our channel and click on bell icon for our latest videos notification, because in this channel we will deal with the study of topic related to science and try to understand it. As in the previous video we have discussed about what is thermal power plant and its working. In this video we will discuss about what is nuclear power plant and its working. We use nuclear power plant because its capacity to produce electricity. For example, if you use 1 kg of uranium, it gives similar energy as the 400 tons of coal. Let's start our today's topic, that is the nuclear power plant. In this video we are going to study what is nuclear power plant, then the working of the nuclear power plant, then some advantages and disadvantages of nuclear power plant, and last we have some important extra information. What is nuclear power plant? In nuclear power plant, the steam turbine is used to rotate the generator. Energy is released by the fission of nuclei of atoms like uranium is used to generate the steam of high temperature and pressure. The energy in steam is used to rotate the turbine. Means हम रेडियो एक्टिव एलिमेंट्स को ब्रेक डाउन करके उसके अंदर जो एनर्जी है उनको यूज़ कर स्टीम बना सकते हैं. Now we will see the working of nuclear power plant, how it's work and how with the help of the radioactive element we convert water into steam. The working of nuclear power plant is as similar as the working of thermal power plant. Only the difference is instead of boiler we use here a nuclear reactor which convert the water into steam. और बाकी का सभी process is exactly similar to the thermal power plant. Here we have a separate sketch of nuclear reactor. First we will study how nuclear reactor works. Here we have a core in which the whole process of heat generating takes place. Then we have a fuel. In nuclear reactor we use radioactive element as a fuel, which is in the form of rod or in the form of plates. Then we have controlling rod. कई बार the rate of reaction इतना बढ़ जाता है कि वो में भी एक्सप्लोर हो सकता है, तो उसको कंट्रोल करने के लिए we have a controlling rod which is placed between the every rod of the fuel, which we can pull upward and push downward. Or to control the rate of reaction we have the controlling rod. Next we have a moderator which is in the form of graphite or water, which control the bombarding process of neutron on the radioactive element. Now we will see what is bombarding process of neutron on radioactive element. Generally we can get a neutron by binding between hydrogen-hydrogen atom with a very high speed. Then we give that neutron to the radioactive element where fission takes place, and after the fission we get 3 or more than 3 neutrons. And after the fission means after the breakdown of radioactive element we get very high amount of energy. Then that energy or heat with the help of the pressurizer is transformed into the heat exchanger, where cooling water is coming from the cooling tower, and in heat exchanger the heat exchange takes place and the water is converted into steam. Then that steam with the help of the pump goes to the turbine with very high pressure and fall on the blades of the turbine, and the magnet in the generator which is connected to the turbine with the help of the coupling start to rotate and we get electricity. Then that pressurized steam is again goes to the condenser where cool water is flowing from the cooling tower to condenser where steam is converted into water again, and with the help of the pump that circulated to the heat exchanger. Again and this is the process of working of nuclear power plant to produce electricity. We have a turbine which is connected to a generator with the help of the coupling. As the blade of the turbine start to rotate, the magnet in the generator also start to rotate and we get electricity. Now we will see advantages and disadvantages of nuclear power plant. First we have advantages of nuclear power plant, in which we have first that nuclear power plant is one of the most low carbon energy source and have high energy density. It requires less amount of space as compared to other power plant and continuously can generate electricity and emitting less pollution gases. Then we have some disadvantages of nuclear power plant. We have it is expensive to build. It produces radioactive waste which can very harmful. It has risks of disaster and it is non-renewable source. Then we have some nuclear power plant in India and its capacity. Here we have a chart of that. The nuclear power plant is the fourth largest source of electricity in India. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it and understand it. If you like it and understand it, please drop one like and subscribe our channel.